Hi, Bernard here again. Just making a small video. Workshop, very cold in January. Decided to make a small heater, burning all waste oil, or that type of thing. It's made of an old car wheel, which I've welded 3 feet on it to support it. It's just for safety reasons. Inside the wheel, put a plate in there, blanked it off, welded around the outside, stop it from leaking. Also, I've welded all the way around around the seam. Now the seam may look like if it's sealed, but it's not. It's only spot welded when it's made. It needs to be welded all the way around, stop any leakage. In here, you can put 2 gallon of fuel, but I would advise only to put 1 gallon in. If you put 2 gallon in, it starts boiling over, then you've got a problem. So put 1 gallon in and let 1 gallon burn out, and then you can switch it all off and put another gallon in as well. The inside, the top of it, I've made a flange which I cut out with a plasma cutter, butterfly inside to control the fire. When it's running, it's like that. When you want to switch it off, it goes like that. This bracket here is to support the weight of the chimney when it get hot, for no other reason other than that. It's for nothing at all. I put it on the wheel like that. Here's the bracket. It just sits down on that plate. Put it on the wheel like that. I've drilled 3 locating holes in it, and I marked it at the front to know every time it's in the same place when I put it back together. You need to do it, be able to take this off, because you need to clean it out. It's all waste oil, it's a residue. Fit it with 3 bolts. Well, then get the nut on here. There's 3 of them. There's the third one. Tighten them up. You see now why the nut, why we've got a wing nut on it, or a bar, so we can tighten the nut up, rather than using spanners all the time. Third one's done. This pipe here is a 3-inch pipe. And I've drilled 10 mil holes in it all the way around. They are 25 mil apart, row of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. There's your butterfly. What you've seen inside, closed off, shut the fire down, open it up, off it goes. They're 50 mil apart going around the pipes, and there's rows of 9 in them. Now I did drill 14 mil holes, 2 rows of 14 front and back first of all, and I thought I was maybe drilling too many, so I said not too many holes but 2 bigger holes, so I put 10 mil holes in it, and we'll see what the difference is when I fire her up. We have got a filler cap which I haven't done yet. Got to go in there. I'll get my plasma cutter, cut a square up there and weld that in there. Fill it up with diesel. Open it up, just fill it, after I cut it up, I'll put that in there, fill it up with diesel. Then as the fire's going, you need to give it a bit of air so we can, how much you want to burn it by moving this back and forth. If you shut it right off, the fire will go out. Secondly, there will be another pipe here for your secondary burning, and I'll be welding that, cutting another hole in the plate and putting this piece of pipe in there. The piece of the pipe, because the hot air is coming up through there, this pipe will gather and take back down into the tank like a secondary burner. This will turn around and give you much more efficiency, no smoke. It should burn really hot. When I start cutting this out with the plasma cutter, I'll put in the pipe on, I'll put the rest of it. Well, I ain't doing it today, I'll do it tomorrow, another day. Well, here again, a lovely sunny day here in Wales. As I said yesterday, today we're going to cut out the square with a plasma cutter for our filler and the controller, turn the fire up and down. Also, I'm going to cut a hole in the base for my pipe and then up into the top for the secondary burner. You see top rivets around the holes there. This is so I can see. Basically, it's easy to pop right around when you're cutting with a plasma cutter to make a choke mark. Along with me today is my apprentice there, Don, and my grandson. He's the ugly one. He's the ugly one. Well, I'm the ugly one of the family anyhow. He keeps saying he's good looking, but I don't think he is.
Got more girls than him.
So give me a few seconds. I get my plasma cutter ready, and I'm going to cut the hole out. Here we go. That's the way to do it. As you can see, we cut the square hole out. The filler thing goes there. We've also cut the pipe out, all out for the pipe. And now we're going to cut an hole out in there to push the pipe through. Give me a couple of minutes and I'll do it. We've got our pipe in, cut the holes in, got our filler cap in there. I'm now going to get my grandson to make it up for me. Got a bit crooked, but as you can see, we welded that in the pipe there, welded it in there, and put the box filler in there. If you look around this pipe, don't worry about it, it's only just tacked out because it's welded on the inside. We're now needing to finish it. So we're going to put a gallon of oil in it and fire her up. See you in a few minutes. Giving you a quick look around our workshops. I thought I'd give you a guided tour. Thought we might take him outside to give him his maiden trial. So I'll stick some oil in him. This is biofuels that I made myself. Now all the go on, give it up. I think I'll do it for now, just to see if it'll work. Because basically as we've not made one before, we don't actually know whether it'll work. So, would I like that?
Yeah.
We'll open the butterfly up.
I'll see.
And put a flame in him. Let's see what will happen. Nothing. Might take a couple of minutes to warm him up.
No gas left.
Switch off in a bit. Start recording. As you can see, she's starting to go now. Took her about 40 minutes, 40 seconds to get it off, get the oil off. But now the oil is off. She should go. And if you... Oh. Not quite hot enough. Don't go on the top of it. Stop from it because we had a load of metal and all come in. But we just left him alone. He's been going now for about 5 minutes. As you can hear the roar of him. And one thing another, and he's going quite well. We burnt all the paint off here. So he's going quite well. There's only we only put about 4 pints of fuel in there. So we're really happy with it. I don't know whether we'll fill some of these holes up. As I think there might be a few too many holes in it. But we can soon fill them up with a welder and one thing and another. So we'll try again then. So I hope we've helped you and show a different way of making an oil burner. Good day.